Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a public profile on Snapchat in 2025. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Go to the inbox where the chat available. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you'll see two sections, My Account and Public Profile. Now tap on Public Profile. A menu will pop up saying, Introducing your public profile. Simply click OK to continue. After that, you'll be taken to your public profile settings. From here, you can see your public profile, edit your details, add a bio, and customize it however you like. And that's it. You have successfully created your public profile on Snapchat. Now people can find you, subscribe to your profile, and view your public snaps. That's it, super simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.